Hi folks, it's John Nizman from lastchanceautorestore.com, and we're standing beside this engine that we've pulled out of the Barracuda. So the 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Commando Edition had this engine in it, this old 318, and it was hooked up to a 4-speed manual transmission. So we're not going to be using this engine, but we are definitely going to be using the 4-speed manual. So here's the engine now out of the vehicle, and then this is the introduction to show you the stages by moving the radiator and the hoses and all of the components that had to be out of the way, and it shows us pulling the motor out. So here's the photo slideshow now. So thanks for watching. We'll share more videos as we continue to work on the 67 Barracuda. And I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.